Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Onkur. So today we're going to draw Pokemon but Gen 1 part 2. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. The first Pokemon is Farfetch'd Gen 1. First, I will stick the Farfetch'd drawing page with the drawing clipper. For this drawing I need brown color and green and yellow. So first I will use brown color on its body and face. Now I'm using yellow on his mouth. I mean yellow plus orange mix. I mix of yellow and orange on his mouth. Now I will use black to color his eyes. And now for his sword, I will use green color. Oh shit. Yeah, I will use green color for his sword. And now the drawing is done. The next Pokemon is Eevee, but Gen 1. I need brown for this also. I'll use brown on his face and his body. But first I'm gonna use black on his eyes to color his eyes. Now the drawing is done. The next drawing is Mew Gen 1. Sorry guys, I forgot to record the whole video down. I'm going to redraw the drawing of Mew. I recorded the video but somehow that didn't save to my gallery, so I'm doing it again. Sorry, you can't see the lower portion of Mew, how to draw it. I'm really sorry. I'm going to show you in a minute. So this is the first brush on my draw. We are going to use pink on this whole drawing. To make pink, we need to mix red with white. Now the drawing is done. If you love those Pokemon drawings, please consider subscribing and liking to my video. This video's like aim is 10 like. Please complete it, guys. And yeah, 99% of you guys are just watching this video but not subscribed. So please consider subscribing and liking this video and comment down Pokemon. Comment down your favorite Pokemon's name, I will draw them. If you don't like my videos or any of my Pokemon drawings, then just dislike them and comment down. You need to do this better.